In this video, I am going to teach you how to set up time tracking in Gusto. So in order to set up your time tracking, you need to head over first to the time and attendance option. You can choose in here the time tracking first, and into this will show up the details for that. Just head over and click on the setup option. Just wait for this to load, and in here you need to set up a pay schedule. So click onto this right there. Once you have clicked on that, you can choose between weekly, 2 days, descriptor, as well as approvals and the likes. You can also assign this by pay type if you would want. So for example, you can also manage the pay schedule right in here. It can be everyone on one schedule or by compensation type. Now click on the discontinue option. Now add a specific pay schedule. Click on this right here. You can choose between this frequency right here. It can be monthly or twice per month, and choose in here the date of the month that you actually want to put this. So in here you can also choose the first pay date. I'll choose in here July 30 and click on save. Now once it's been saved, it will be added right here, so click on continue. Now click on submit these changes. Once you have added those pay schedules, you can head over and then go to your pay or time attendance in order to see if time tracking can be set up. Click onto the setup now option again and then wait for this to continue loading. Just in here the members that will have those time tracking. Then after that, you should be able to be prompted to add them to that particular schedule. So that's how you set up time tracking in Gusto. Hope we helped.